I want you to remember the last time you went to the movie theater, the smell of the freshly popped popcorn, the sight of the big screen, the sound as it hit, and the dialogue that sparked emotion. You may not have noticed, but most of that sound came from the screen. This gives the feeling that the characters themselves are the ones who are speaking. Shouldn't this be the experience at home? Hey, Geoff from Sony here. Follow along as I help you set up Acoustic Center Sync. Before we get started, it might be helpful to have the user's manual for your Sony audio and TV product. Don't have the printed version around? Don't worry, visit the Sony support site. You can see them there. It's also helpful to make sure both of your products are updated to their latest software versions. This will make sure everything goes as smooth as butter. Let's start by connecting your audio system to your TV using an HDMI cable. First, plug one end of the HDMI cable into the input labeled HDMI out TV EARC/ARC on the audio system. Plug the other end of the cable into the HDMI 3 EARC/ARC on your compatible TV. Now, grab the supplied TV center speaker cable. It should have came in the box with your compatible Sony audio product. Now, if the supplied cable isn't long enough, don't worry. You can grab any commercially available stereo mini cable. Find the jack labeled S Center Out on your Sony audio system and plug the TV center speaker cable into that. Next, find the S Center In jack on your compatible Sony TV and plug the other end of the TV center speaker cable into that. If this is the first time turning on your audio system, you'll want to follow the simple setup guide on the screen. If your audio system is already configured and you're adding a new Sony TV with Acoustic Center Sync, you'll want to rerun sound field optimization. This will only take about a minute, and you'll want to keep the room kind of quiet to get the best results. To do this, press Home on the audio system remote. Then select Setup, Advanced Setting, Speaker Settings, Sound Field Optimization. Don't be alarmed by the sounds coming from the speakers. This is how the magic happens. Should you have any additional questions and would like to speak with a Sony expert like myself, check out our one-on-one consultation program. There's a link for it in the description below. We've even added a video chat option so we can easily share information with you. Want to learn more about Acoustic Center Sync? We've also created another video for that. It's in the description below. I'm Geoff with Sony. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.